I'm Hoover Mayor Frank Brocato. In the city of Hoover, we operate by a set of core values, and core value number 5 says that accountability and transparency are key concepts in running a public organization. Transparency in government is critical, and we're committed to a level of openness that will keep our citizens informed and included on the financial well-being of the city. One more part of our greater effort to have a more open government. As a Hoover citizen, you deserve that. We also pride ourselves on running a city that is prudent, efficient, and fiscally sound.